So hey, what's up guys, it's a boy Crazy TTP. I'm back again with another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a password generator using the Python and the random and string modules. So first thing first, we need to say Windows plus R, then type cmd, then enter, then say pip install. Nothing. I'm kidding guys. So for these modules we are not going to pip install any third-party modules, so we will be using the standard modules. So okay, we will need to say import random, then import string, not strings. After that, okay, before I define a function, let me say for x in range of, let me say in range of 1, we can even say in range of 0 to 1. I wanna say the random char equals to random dot choice. After that, I wanna pick my chars over here. So some others are doing it this way. Let me show it to you, like A B C D E F G P Q R S T U V double X Y Z C D E F G H I J K L M N O P R S T U V double X Y Z C 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, note that 0. Then they'll be putting some punctuations over there. So okay, let me show it to you. Then after that, I wanna say, let me create an empty string here. Final pass equals to, then I wanna say final pass is equals to random char plus, okay, sorry, it should be final pass equals to final pass plus the random char. Then I want to print this final pass, and let me see, so it is printing v. Okay, let me say 5. So now we have 5 characters. So as you might have seen, if I use only one iteration, we will be having 1 character over here. So if I pick 15, we'll be having 15 characters over here. So let's say you want the use of this program to set this length over here for you. Okay, what we'll be doing is, let me say, okay, number of chars equals to int, then input, then let me say please enter the number of characters you want. Then for this one, let me go to my terminal over here. Then let me clear the screen and say Python password generator and press enter. So as you can see now, it says please enter. Oh, I forgot something. This number of chars should be also put here. Okay, then let me control C CLS, then Python password generator, then you say please, then let me say 3. As you can see now, we have 3 password generator over here. Then let me write again and say 14. Then it will give me all these 14 characters. So why you have imported this string is I wanted to say chars equals to string dot ASCII letters. So this will give us the A to Z. Okay, let me see. So it's ASCII letters plus string dot what is this? Digits? Is it digits? Yeah, I think it's digits. Then let me, okay, it is giving me some error. Let me check and see whether, okay, I don't think it's digits. It should be hex digit or something. Let me say import string, then string dot, but it is plus string digits, string dot ASCII letters. Oh, it is ASCII letters. Then let me say Control B. Let me come over here. Let me say 3. As you can see now, we also have this A to Z and A to Z. Let me say, whoa, 23. Then we also have this 23 characters password generator. Then after that, let's say you want the user to specify how many password you want they want. So to be more precisely, we are going to say for X in range of 3. Oh my god, okay, then let me put this here. Then let me see if it's going to work or not. Invalid syntax. Okay, sorry, my bad. Then let me say 3. As you can see, guys, we have 3 characters and 3 passwords. Okay, let me do this again with another number, like let me say 15 characters. As you can see, we have 15 characters with a range of 3. So let us do this again. Let me say number of pass equals to int input, please enter the number of pass which you want to generate. Okay, CLS, enter, please enter the number of characters you want. Let me say 5 characters. Then it is say please enter the number of passwords you want to generate. Okay, let me say 8, then press enter. Oh, sorry guys, it should be numpass. Then after that, CLS password generator, I want 5 characters with the 8 password generated. So as you can see, guys, we now have 5 characters and the 5 characters length and the 8 password generated using this script. So to make it more secure, let me say plus, okay, let me hard code these ones, 1 2 3, no, it should be 1 2 3 and 4. So let me press enter, save. Then let me see, now we have these punctuations. Please enter the number of characters you want. Let me say I want 10 characters. Please enter the number of passwords you want to generate. Let me say 3 and press enter. Oh, as you might see, we have punctuation over here. Let me try it again. But as you might see, guys, this script is working perfectly. You can modify this script and generate password for your websites or your accounts on the internet so that they can be more secured. So yeah, this was it, guys. So if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.